Okay guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we have Kia Rio 2012 model. Now we are going to pull down manual transmission and replace the clutch. Remembrance. Oil leak from rear crankshaft, oil seal, oil pull down transmission. We remove radiator so that we have space to pull down the transmission. Okay, so we drain the gear oil and we open the pillar plug here in this side. Here. And we return back the drain plug. Very dark color. Deteriorated. Next, I will remove the axle. We remove axle, inner rod, and ball joint mounting. Okay, for the lower ball joint. Lower support, front, lower support, rear. Have to remove. Then we'll put jack stand in our engine oil pan so that we can remove this transmission support. Okay. Rear crankshaft oil seal, axle shaft oil seal also, because there's a leak, oil leak in the axle shaft and rear crankshaft oil seal. So we're ongoing dismantling the flywheel here. So I dismantle the bolts of our flywheel so that we can replace the rear crankshaft oil seal. Okay, so the size of the bolt of our flywheel is flower type 17 mm. Okay, so this is our flywheel. So there's some black dotted spot. We're going to sandpaper this one to make remove the dirt in our flywheel surface. Okay, now we are going to remove the rear crankshaft oil seal. Okay. Okay, so we will use this flat screwdriver so that we can remove this rear crankshaft oil seal. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so we already replace our crankshaft oil seal and we install our flywheel. We'll install also our new clutch disc and clutch cover, together the release bearing. Okay. Okay, so we fix the new clutch disc, clutch cover. We use piece of wood to align the clutch disc. Okay. Okay, I'll remove the clutch aligner.